Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ryan Raymond, and tonight we're going to discuss 10 side hustle ideas that you can start when you're working full-time or even a student. Number one is start a blog. You could easily start a blog. All you got to do is start writing, start creating content, identify a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge about, and start writing about it. This is something you can do whenever you have free time. Writing a blog does have challenges though. You're going to have to do all your proofreading, editing, creating backlinks, curating the content, and doing it all yourself, getting traffic to it, and it's not a fast process. But if it's what you have time for and you enjoy writing, why not give it a shot? Number two is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically you promote someone's product or service. Now, most people are really familiar with affiliate marketing, and I participate in affiliate marketing with this YouTube channel. Down in my description, you'll see a section that says affiliate links. These are services that I recommend that relate to my main topic for this channel, which is merch by Amazon. And we're going to get to that in a little bit. Those products and services, if someone signs up for them, they generate revenue for me. Say one of those services charges $9 a month, and they might pay me 10 to 30% or 50% depending on who it is. Those services, each time you pay each month, they give me a small percentage. It's a great way to share information and generate a little bit of extra side income. Now, the FTC did just release some new rules about affiliate marketing, and they're going into effect here later this year. So that's something that everyone needs to be aware of. I'll try and put a link below to the brochure that the FTC put out last week. Number three is to produce and sell something. Maybe you have a hobby. Maybe you like woodworking. Maybe you do leatherworking. Maybe you work with metal. Maybe you make knives. Maybe you just make something. I'm learning how to make belts. I even started a YouTube channel documenting my first belt I made. Check it out. Link will be in the description. Speaking of, on the affiliate marketing, creating a YouTube channel is a great way to create an audience for any business or side hustle that you do. There's plenty of other options as well, Facebook, social media, and other things as well. So keep that in mind. Maybe you've got a bunch of old textbooks laying around. You can start reselling them. Which brings me to number four, reselling. You guys can start selling anything you have. You got some old junk laying around in your house. Maybe you have old textbooks that you don't use anymore. You can take those and you can sell them on Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, all sorts of places. You never know who's going to be looking for one of those books. Maybe you were like me as a kid and you collected baseball cards, hockey cards, football cards. You meticulously organize them all into binders that don't stay closed anymore. You may have spent hours meticulously organizing those cards when you were a kid, all because you said someday they're going to be worth something. Maybe today's that day. You can start just trading cards right now. You can sell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. Possibilities are endless. There is literally hundreds and hundreds of apps you can download on your phone to start selling stuff. Get started. Brings me to number five, AirBnB. You can rent out extra rooms in your house. You can rent out your house if it's not there. You can buy real estate. You can invest in real estate. You can buy houses and rent them out. There's plenty of resources out there for this, but we're not there to my favorite one yet. Number six, becoming a delivery driver. If you own a vehicle, you could start driving for Uber, Grubhub, any of these delivery services. Even Amazon has a delivery service you can check out where you can deliver packages. If you have a vehicle, people will pay you to take things from one place to another. Number seven, sell your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork, hundreds of other side hustle websites. There are plenty of them out there. If you're a writer, a copywriter, a graphic designer, maybe you want to record audiobooks. Whatever it is that you do, offer it as a service. You can even teach. To subscribe and turn on the notifications, hit the thumbs up, and drop a comment and tell me what your favorite side hustle is. Number eight, websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk will pay you to basically do data entry, reviewing things. There's all sorts of little jobs you can do. It might only take you 2 minutes to do, 3 minutes to do, but you got to get qualified on a lot of these websites, but you can give it a try. I've done them till my eyes are bloodshot from staring at a screen till 3 in the morning and thinking that was a good way to make money. I was still taking my time and trading it for money instead of investing my time to bring recurring revenue. Number 9, write a book. You know about something. Write it down. Write a fiction book. Write a nonfiction book. Like doing meal prep. Do you cook? Write a recipe book. Maybe you've got one of these old tin cans full of your old family recipes and they've been just sitting around. You could take those and you could turn them into a cookbook for your entire family and sell it to other people. But on Amazon, you can make puzzle books. You can make crossword puzzles. You can design anything. If you use a computer and write, you can make a book. And the best thing about publishing books these days is you can just publish them one-off with print on demand, which brings me to number 10. Number 10 is my favorite. And the reason I like it so much is because I can do it from my phone. Anywhere. Anytime, whenever I have a free moment. In the bathroom. Waiting for dinner to cook. Riding the bus. Kind of anywhere. Merch by Amazon is a platform that lets you design a t-shirt, upload it, write the keywords and bullets. When someone goes on Amazon and makes a purchase, Amazon's going to take that design, print it on a t-shirt, package it, ship it to the customer, and then send you a check once a month. None of these are really passive income, but some of them will let you do work one time and continue making money from it. While others, you're going to have to continue doing work. The moment you stop doing work, they don't pay you anymore. That's why Merch by Amazon, which is what my channel is primarily about. I have tons of videos on here. I have about 150 videos that are going to show you how to do research, design a t-shirt, upload it, find unsaturated niches, find opportunities to design t-shirts for. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. Make sure you watch this video right here. YouTube is recommending that this is one of my videos that you need to watch next. Click on it now. If you don't want to watch that one, this is the latest video I've published. So it's going to change and it'll be dynamic. So whatever is my newest video, whenever you're watching it, it'll be right here. Thank you again.